If you're seeing Steam error 503, also known as service unavailable, don't worry, because in most cases this is not a problem with your PC. It usually means Steam servers are temporarily overloaded, under maintenance, or dealing with heavy traffic. In this video, I'll show you the quickest ways to fix or work around it, and I'll also show you a couple of simple steps inside Steam that can help when the issue is caused by stuck browser data or a bad download region. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Let's get started. First, the most important thing to understand is that Steam error 503 is often a server-side issue. So before you spend time changing settings, check whether Steam itself is having problems. Open your browser and visit steamstat.us to see if there's a current outage or service disruption. If Steam's servers are down, the best solution may simply be to wait a little while and try again later. You can also restart the Steam client and, if needed, restart your router or internet connection just to make sure your local network is not adding to the problem. Now, if Steam is back online but the error still keeps showing up, the next thing to do is clear your Steam web browser data. Sometimes Steam gets stuck trying to connect to a server because of old cookies or cached data, even after the service has recovered. To do that, open Steam and go to Steam settings, then click Interface. In that section, look for Delete Web Browser Data and click it. This clears out the old browser information that may be interfering with Steam's connection. Once that is done, close and reopen Steam, then try the same action again and see if the error is gone. If you still get Steam error 503, the next fix is to change your download region. Steam routes a lot of its traffic based on the region you select, and sometimes the server node for your area may be overloaded or temporarily failing. To change it, go back into Steam settings and open downloads. Look for download region, then switch it to a different city or even a neighboring country. Choose a region that is close enough for good speed, but different enough to avoid the problem server. After you change it, Steam will usually restart automatically. Once it reopens, try the action again and see if it works normally. In many cases, that alone is enough to get past the 503 error. If you are still stuck, go back and make sure your internet connection is stable. Because even when the issue starts on Steam's side, a weak or unstable connection can make the problem look worse. Refresh the client, give it a few minutes, and try again after the servers have had time to recover. The key thing to remember is that Steam error 503 is usually temporary, and most of the time the fix is simply checking server status, clearing old browser data, or switching your download region. So if one method doesn't work right away, move on to the next one and test again. If this tutorial helped you fix the issue, please hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone else who is running into the same Steam problem. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.